Smartphones are found in every facet of a young, active lifestyle, recording experiences as young people embark on new adventures. But what kind of smartphone is built for young tech lovers? Well, Realme has the answer. What kind of phone do young people really want? Our product managers are obsessed with answering this question. Before defining a product, they monitor social media trends and do market research. They analyze feedback from tens of thousands of young smartphone users around the world. Then they define the product based on what they know are the customer's needs, choosing from more than 20 types and 300 components to complete their initial screening. These initial results are then imported into the computer-aided engineering for further refinement. Our research and development staff sets parameters based on the lifestyle of young people and uses computer-aided engineering to simulate real-life usage scenarios for smartphones so they can foresee potential issues and prevent them. That's right. Quality testing begins even before the phone hits the production line. Young people want to make bold statement with their smartphones. This can pose a challenge to quality. And when prototyping the C series, Realme's ID designer started with a bank of 40 types of materials and selected the ones that would be flame resistant, fingerprint resistant, and durable. They chose the most cutting-edge crafting techniques for maximum visual appeal, giving the product an external polish and glow that's nothing short of mesmerizing. By building on a foundation of quality and durability, they realized a product that would satisfy young people's need for boldness and impact. From initial conceptualization to the final design, their proposals go through at least 3 rounds of review and dozens of tests. Each Realme series has its own style, so we end up using a dizzying array of manufacturing processes and materials. But all of these processes and designs are unified by one set of rigorous quality standards. In order to meet intense demand for more functionality, and with only 2,000 square millimeters to work with inside the phone casing, Realme's developers push their ability to pack components into limited space to the extreme. Furthermore, the wildly popular flash charge and large capacity battery combo takes up more than 50% of the available in-body real estate. That means all remaining components must be as small as possible, and space utilization must be optimized to the extreme. At the same time, quality cannot be compromised. Realme created a rigorous sequestering and monitoring systems, building several layers of protection to ensure safe charging. Each and every component undergoes water resistance and dust resistant processes to suit the habits of young users, who tend to use their phones much more frequently and for extended durations. After development is complete, production takes place at the Realme Super Factory located 30 kilometers away. This is the first factory site's raw material warehouse, which covers an area of 5,000 square meters. Here are over 692 parts and components used in dozens of smartphones are stored. Automated equipment is used to distribute and transport these materials to a number of production workshops. Due to our global warranty, Realme keeps a minimum of 3 years inventory worth of parts and components at this site. This helps our customers use the same phones for a longer period of time and saves them the cost of replacing a new one. This pioneering manufacturing plant is producing high-quality smartphones for your young customers around the world. In the fully automated SMT workshop, it only takes 40 minutes to assemble a motherboard with more than 700 components and parts, but you can hardly see any staff in this workshop. Real-time monitoring of 146 processes takes place alongside high-efficiency manufacturing to ensure the motherboard functions normally. The completed motherboard is sent to the assembly workshop to be united with hundreds of other smartphone components. Assembly is also the most complex step of the manufacturing process. Each tiny movement has been broken down into a series of standardized steps to ensure that the assembly is uniform and accurate. As before, there are a number of quality checkpoints throughout these processes. Before a phone comes off the production line and is placed in the box, it undergoes 18 tests, which cover the screen, camera, and communications components. The young are always taking on new challenges, trying new things, and pushing themselves to new heights. The phones they take on their adventures must also be able to withstand the most intense usage scenarios. Accidents might only happen less than 1% of the time, but our engineers are 100% fully prepared. From everyday friction, impact, and splashing to the extreme sports that young people love, when you travel to the most extreme places on Earth, your realme phone will be able to go with you anywhere. Because it has been tested in every extreme condition for hundreds or even thousands of times. Of course, the accessories that come with your phone get the same treatment. From cords to cases to outer packaging, everything is tested. That's the only way to achieve comprehensive quality assurance. Quality testing must go beyond conventional mishaps. In addition to meeting all industry benchmarks, Realme's C-Series smartphones are the first smartphones to obtain Germany's TUV Rheinland High Reliability certification. The certification sets a benchmark for 3 years of regular use and lays out a series of rigorous quality standards. Customers around the world can be assured when they use TUV Rheinland certified Realme smartphones. Realme's best trend-setting smartphone yet. Built for quality, built for young people, built for the young tech lover.